Hi, welcome to Fireside Tech Talks with NVT Phybridge. I'm Richard Kaslak, Vice President of Solution Sales for NVT Phybridge. Today we're going to learn how the PoLRE switch is helping to accelerate migration to Cisco UC globally. We're Cisco's Solution Plus partner that eliminates IP migration challenges for customers still on TDM-based voice systems that want to move to Cisco Unified Communications. Recent market research shows that 72% of organizations around the globe are still using outdated TDM-based systems despite the incredible benefits that IP brings to any business. Cisco relies on the Power over Long Reach Ethernet, or PoLRE switch, to help the vast TDM customer base make the move by eliminating the #1 barrier to IP adoption: infrastructure requirements to connect IP phones back to the UC applications. The PoLRE switch delivers Ethernet and PoE over a single pair of cable with 1,200-foot reach. That's 4 times the reach of standard PoE switches. It's built to transform any analog TDM Cat3 infrastructure into an all-IP platform that can quickly connect Cisco IP phones to Cisco applications. The PoLRE switch has successfully enabled thousands of Cisco IP endpoints. Federal, state, and local governments, universities, Fortune 500 companies, national retailers, and many more businesses have all shared the benefits of using the PoLRE in their Cisco IP migrations, saving money, eliminating risk, and fast-tracking their migrations. Now let's take a look at how it works. For this demonstration, we'll connect the PoLRE switches to a Cisco Business Edition 6000 HD platform using SX10 video conferencing units, Cisco 8865 and other IP phones, using the existing Cat3 wiring infrastructure that's supporting the legacy voice solution. We racked the PoLRE 24 and 48 port switches, configured the switch using the intuitive GUI interface or command line, making integration with your Cisco network seamless. Connect the uplink ports of the PoLRE switch to the Cisco Business Edition 6000 HD or into the network. Next, remove the Amphenol connectors from the legacy PBX and connect them to the downlink ports of the PoLRE switches. Main closet setup is complete. Now, let's go deploy the Cisco IP endpoints. At every location, simply disconnect the old phone and connect the RJ11 cable to the PHY-Link adapter, and the adapter into the Cisco IP phone. In this case, we're connecting the 8865 desktop endpoints and many others throughout the office. We finish our installation connecting the SX10 video conferencing unit in the boardroom. As you've seen, PoLRE IP enables a customer's environment to support Cisco Unified Communications and collaboration. Include PoLRE in all of your Unified Communications deals where analog, TDM, Cat3 may still be in use. And empower these customers to innovate and grow their business. Enable and empower their employees. Satisfy and retain their customers with the best IP-enabled communications capabilities in the world. PoLRE makes every IP migration simple and flawless, so you can focus on the higher value upsell opportunities. The PoLRE switches are key products in Cisco's UC collaboration portfolio and available on the Cisco Global Price List. Please contact us for your IP migration needs. Share these valuable decision-making resources with your customers at extendyourlan.com. Thank you for watching.